go. Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it. Me and the Kawasaki, we're going cross country. Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it. Too many cars. Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it. We are going on our second cross-country road trip. Me and the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. We're heading from Florida all the way to the Pacific Northwest, up into Washington State, maybe up into Vancouver, Banff, who knows. We're gonna let the wind guide us on our sails. Stop recording. Start again in 3. Go. Yo, what's up guys, we are back at it. Me and the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. We're going cross-country again, starting in Florida. Heading up to Washington State, Pacific Northwest. We're gonna check out all the good roads in between, national parks, national forests. We're gonna head up into Canada. We're gonna do it all. Stick with me, let's go for a ride. Let's get it. That's pretty good.